Hey there, fellow e-commerce enthusiasts. Welcome back to the series of Create Pages with EComposer. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial lined up for you. We'll be diving into the EComposer Shopify page builder to create a Contact Us page that not only looks fantastic but also boosts user engagement. So, let's jump right in. Before we start, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button for our channel. If you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link we attached in the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. From the EComposer app dashboard, open the Contact Us page editor. You can choose to start building, then click on the Contact Us. Now, when it comes to creating a Contact Us page, EComposer gives you two fantastic options. You can either start with a pre-built template, or build from scratch. For a quick and easy setup, choose a pre-built Contact Us page template. Simply customize the text and images to match your brand. And you're ready to publish. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, let's start creating your Contact Us page from scratch. Now add a captivating heading, text, and image. I want the page visitors leave their information, so that I will create a user-friendly contact form. Spend a few seconds customizing it. Next, place the contact information section. Here I'm gonna select a pre-made contact information template on my own template stock. And if you want to showcase your store's location, the EComposer Google Map element is the great choice for you. Once you've added all the elements you desire, hit that Publish button, and let's see the magic happen on your live site. We've successfully crafted a Contact Us page that not only looks amazing but is sure to enhance your customer interactions. Your Contact Us page templates will be stored in the landing and pages, along with landing and standard pages you're created. You can easily see this tab in the EComposer app dashboard. If you want to build diverse pages for your Shopify store by EComposer #1 drag and drop Shopify page builder, check out the playlist attached here. That is the end of today's Create Pages with EComposer episode. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification to get the newest videos from our channel. Feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.